September is here and we are already starting to see Christmas decor getting set up all over different Philippine malls. But who said we needed malls to shop? Hey guys, Earl here of Yugatech, and today we will be checking out our cart filled with some cool tech items and trinkets possibly worth gifting and owning yourself. So, without further ado, cue in that intro. By the way, this list was inspired by a bunch of cool stuff we saw on TikTok and Shopee. Be sure to take advantage of vouchers, monthly discounts, and payday sales para masulit, diba? So, let's go! The first one is this Nimbot mini printer and labeler. For under 2,000 pesos, depending on your bundle, this portable printer, which is mainly a label maker, could be the perfect gift for that friend or family member diagnosed with OCD like me. I'm guilty. But kidding aside, with how portable this thing is, you can bring it around anytime, anywhere. It uses sticker paper which you can easily attach to almost any surface. The Nimbot printer and labeler goes up for 1,579 pesos. And moving to our next find is this cool Ulanzi CG01 wireless smartphone handle grip. I don't know if it's Ulanzi or Ulanzi, but let's proceed. The Ulanzi handle grip could give you the feeling of having a real camera, and you can even use it as a remote. The grip itself can increase the stability of your smartphone, especially for handheld recording. The detachable magnetic Bluetooth remote control is rated for up to 30 meters. You can also purchase a separate magnetic round mirror which can be positioned at the backside to better frame those selfies. This Ulanzi handle grip is available for 588 pesos because it's 79% off. Links in the description below. This next item is a little wacky, but hey, why not? The Ambie earbuds are bone conduction earbuds with this weird earring-like design. It's water resistant and features silicone coating. These are one of our TikTok finds, and we think for the lols themselves, it's definitely worth considering. The Ambie earbuds bone conduction is being sold for 379 to 430 pesos in TikTok shops. Next up is this wireless keyboard from the Top-In store on Shopee. This product connects to anything that supports a Bluetooth keyboard. What makes this wireless keyboard so cool is that it's foldable and features its own trackpad. Ultimate Dex combo, anybody? The foldable nature of this keyboard allows you to fit into almost any bag without eating too much space. Its key travel is definitely not anything to write home about, but gifting and owning this item could be the Hakuna Matata moment you've been looking for in rush situations. This keyboard is rechargeable and comes with its own cable. However, it utilizes a micro USB port for charging. Either way, it's available for only 559 pesos from its previous price of 799 pesos, so we aren't complaining. Finally, our last item on this list, but definitely not the least for this series, is this Boya wireless lapel. We've been seeing a bunch of reports online from creators using this, and it could definitely be an upgrade for your smartphone's onboard microphone, especially if you need to record a vlog from a distance. Just connect the receiver to your smartphone with either the included Type-C or Lightning connector. Be sure to choose the right one before checking out. The Boya microphones themselves are rechargeable, and the receiver supports power delivery while connected to your phone. This Boya wireless lapel was originally priced at 5,000 pesos, but with flash deals, you can purchase this for 1,350 to 1,800 pesos. A huge deal. So what are you waiting for? These cool tech finds are just around the corner, patiently waiting with discounts. Links to the items mentioned should be in the description box and or pinned in the comment section below. Before I go, we wanted to mention that this is not paid content. The items on the list were curated by us, and we truly believe that these tech items can possibly help anyone within this budget. To know more, you can also check product reviews through the links provided. So what do you guys think about these cool tech items under 2,000 pesos? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to tap that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, or are we saying X now? And visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Toodaloo!